Welcome to the best done-for-you opportunity that we've ever presented, and it doesn't even involve AI. Hi, I'm Dawud Islam, and over the past few years I've specialised in creating affordable, evergreen traffic products and training products that everyone can use, regardless of their levels of experience. But today we're going to raise the bar even higher by letting you share in some of our success and profits. Welcome to the Triple Income System. We're going to give you guaranteed approval and 100% front-end commissions for our 3 best-selling products this year: Big 10 Traffic, Mail Your Offer, and Place Your Link 3.0. Even on its own, that's a great starting point for success. But we're also going to do something that we've never done before. We are going to add your affiliate links to our internal promotions for these 3 products. That's right. Every time someone picks up a copy of Big 10 Traffic, Mail Your Offer, or Place Your Link 3.0, you will get a chance to earn a commission. It's the ultimate passive income opportunity. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Triple Income System today before the price goes up. If you delay, you will end up paying more. Step 2. Apply for your 100% links to promote your 3 triple income products with guaranteed approval. And step 3. Send us your Warrior Plus links and get them added to our sales rotator for passive income opportunities every time someone buys a copy of our 3 best sellers. If you've never made sales on Warrior Plus before, then this is a golden opportunity to get your first sales on the board and increase massively your chances of getting approved to promote other offers. Or if you're new and have a handful of sales already, then this is a great chance to improve your affiliate score. But even if you're a seasoned affiliate, why pass up this excellent chance to get even more passive sales for just a few seconds of work? But act fast. As soon as the launch goes live, we will be setting up our new internal rotators for Big 10 Traffic, Mail Your Offer, and Place Your Link 3.0. From today, everyone who buys any one of these products could potentially be buying it from your link. The quicker you get your links on the rotator, the quicker your chances of getting some passive income sales. The longer you delay, the more other affiliates you will be competing against. So grab your copy of Triple Income System today, send in your links, and start your passive income journey as soon as tonight. Act now, and I'll see you on the inside.